Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone 7 and replace display module. Unscrew two screws on the bottom of iPhone. In description of this video I left links to necessary tools and LCD screen module for iPhone 7. Display glued around perimeter of iPhone, and we need to hit the surface of iPhone for open it. For this I use a hair dryer because it will make it easier to remove the display. Set suction cup on display near home button and pull up. Use a plastic tool for separate phone case and display. By easy and carefully moves, separate the display from iPhone case. Pull the display slightly away from the top edge of iPhone to disengage the clips holding it to the rear case. Open iPhone by swinging the display up from the left side like a book. Remove the following 4 screws securing the lower display cable bracket to the logic board by tri-point screwdriver. Remove 2 screws securing the bracket by PH0 screwdriver. Use plastic spudger to disconnect connectors, but the first disconnect the battery connector. Now you can remove the display module. Remove all screws securing the speaker bracket and remove speaker. Remove 1 screw and gently fold the camera and attach ribbon cable. Remove 4 screws securing the bracket over the home button and remove all screws of the display shield. Pry under left edge of the home button cable connector to disconnect it from its socket. Next, gently separate the adhesive holding the Touch ID sensor cable to the backside of display module. Remove home button. Now we'll install new display module. In description of this video I left links where you can buy new display module for iPhone 7. Let's reassemble it. First, install the home button. Remove old glue from the phone case. Now you can apply waterproof adhesive tape for iPhone. Also, I leave link to this adhesive tape in description. Connect all cables to the logic board and last connect the battery cable. Set 2-cable bracket to the logic board and screw it. Install display module to iPhone case and check elastic. Set 2 screws on the bottom of iPhone. Now we can turn on your iPhone 7.